Quopi is an AI bot Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon and welcome back to The Journey. As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. To stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey, be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so, and give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs that I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to proceed forward with any of those programs, make sure you take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the video to the end, as I will link other interesting videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to come see us today over here at The Journey.
Okay everyone, this video is dedicated to the Quopi trader. As a reminder, the crypto market stays open 7 days a week. Hi everyone, it is Friday, November the 17th. Let's go over the Quopi trader numbers, which is a 3.70 for 10 November. Let's look at the broader picture, everyone. 5 trading days for the crypto trader has averaged a 3.55% for 5 days. That encompasses 6 November with a 3.33%, 7 November with a 3.71%, and 8 November with a 3.73%, and 9 November with a 3.28, and today a 3.70. Those are some outstanding numbers for the crypto trader, everyone. Let's take a look at our particular stake that we have locked down. It is right here, everyone. Let me click the open details. We have $785.45 locked down, and so far in the 3 days that we have been on it, we have made $79.99. We can take a look right here and see our profits, everybody. The very first day we received a profit, it looks like, of $27.68, and then another day of $27.83, and then another day of $24.74. And we have 16 hours and 36 minutes and about 10 seconds before that stake will pay again. We do have it on automatic because we plan to keep it in there so we can keep those profits coming. I will start doing a withdrawal 7 days a week now, because any money that this bot is making, I'm withdrawing it, so that I can just keep loving life with what Quopi is doing to my Exodus wallet. All right, everyone, this is just a quick short update. Again, this is the crypto trader side. So let me go over the numbers before I get out of here, everyone. Right now we have $370.76 in our Bitcoin balance. We have $116 in our USDT balance. We have $5.86 in Doge, $1.09 in Tron, or $20.11 in Tron, $7.16 in Binance, and $59 in XRP. Again, this is the Quopi trader. Crypto market stays open 7 days a week. Those particular currencies that I named off would be the currencies that you could put in to join the stock trader or Quopi trader. Right now, the Quopi trader is only open to a select market. All right, everyone, just a short, quick update on the crypto trader. I will talk to you all tomorrow when I present the results from the crypto trader. Until then, you all take it.